have been privileged to perform for President Bush's birthday celebrations over the years.
They are about to perform their 93rd birthday, but first they're going to hear us sing for us right now. The 62 members of the Texas A&M Singing Cadets, they're right there, those handsome men and women over there. And now we have David Kipp. Hey, David.
Hi, it's great to be with you guys.
David, we're going to talk to you and interview you, but can we hear them sing first?
We sure can.
Thank you. God bless America.
God bless America.
Okay, good deal. Take it away, boys.
Let us all be grateful.